How's it going, guys? Alonzo here. Just wanted to talk to you about this Wi-Fi cinema from Integrity. So this Wi-Fi cinema is a cable box that connects to your TV and also connects to your Wi-Fi, and it gives you 500 channels, all HD quality, all premium channels like HBO and Showtime. You get your pay-per-view channels with pay-per-view movies and your pay-per-view sports events like the McGregor and Mayweather fight coming up pretty soon. You'll be able to watch that, and it's free. You won't have to pay the pay-per-view price. And then you have the all your sports channels, NBA, NFL, hockey, and all of that stuff. TV on demand. Even play movies that's still in theaters right now. Be able to watch that in the comfort of your own home. Now you'll also be able to watch it on your laptop, tablet, and mobile devices. They're still working on the iPhone, so if you have an iPhone, it won't work just yet, but they're working on that. Says they'll stop overpaying. So also says here you get over 500 channels, live channels in full HD. That's all the channels you get. That's all your sports channels. Now this is the plans that you choose from. So it works just like a dish. Each box connects to one TV. So your first box is going to be $69.95 per month, $69.95 to start. And second box is $79.95 a month. An extra $30 to start, and 3, 4, 5, up to 6 TVs for only $120 a month. You can't beat that. $120 a month for 6 TVs. Compare that to Dish. That's you're saving a lot of money right there. All right. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. So check that out, and please like the video.